the PreSonus Bluetube V2. This is the front of it right here. Okay, got tube drive right here. Okay, clips on and off. Then you have gain, either instrument or mic. Okay, and then you got another channel, so it's just two. Okay, you also have 48-volt phantom power on both sides. You have a pad, and you got the 80 hertz. And on the back, let's look at the back. There you got your power, which I'm going to connect power to this in a few seconds. And here we got instrument or mic number 1, instrument or mic number 2, and then here are your outs, balanced and unbalanced. So unbalanced, you got 1 and 2, and then you got your balanced 1 and 2. Let's connect it and show you what it looks like with power. One of the functions that comes with the cord provided is you have an on-off switch right there. So if you want to power it on, there you go. See, it lights up blue. So if you have a mic that needs 48-volt phantom power, just turn that on. Okay. And that's how you would get the tube drive going. So if you had 2 mics going in, then you also turn that on. If you need 48-volt phantom power for that, and then you would turn that on. And this is your gain, and both channels have clips. So if your signal is too hot, these will light up red. Okay, so there you go. And to shut it off, you're just gonna flip the switch like that, and it powers off. Okay, Bluetooth PreSonus.